Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout. And I got all these to put on my blog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. I don't even know where those are at right here. Now I can add to it. Anyway. Sorry. Alright, so this is page 7 of the March kit. The background is basil cardstock. The floral pattern is Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet. Everything in this kit is pretty sweet. These are some cranes that in the house that I was renting was coming to visit now and again. So I captured their photos. And since this kit has a lot of florals and all about flowers and nature and whatnot, so I decided to throw these pictures in there. I do have before and after pictures of this house that I'm living in now, because I bought a house. So, anyway, so the die cuts are Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet. I'm going to use some of the chipboard stickers that are also Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet. And puffy stickers also. So, I have, oh my goodness, let's see. Oh, I need to go back and find, because one of my enamel dots on this one fell off. Okay, so it goes like this. I already did this one. Now I'm on this one. Okay. So I was just looking to see. Alright, so the spring notes and the spring circle is the chipboard stickers. Otherwise, everything. Oh, no, and the March is chipboard stickers. Oh, and the ladybugs are. Alright, so, no, oh, this ladybug, the bigger ladybug is a die cut. The two smaller ones are the puffy stickers. That's what I was trying to see. So that way I can let you know. Sorry. Oh my god. Oh my lantas. My feet are filthy. Oh man. I'm like, what's all over my floor? Because my feet. That's what I think going outside barefoot. So. I think that's it. Guess it was wet out there. I went out there. Gosh, I need to start lotioning my feet. My heels are cracked. My feet are usually soft. Anyway, so my title, A, is Hip Kit Club's Dream Bag, February, and Vision and Beauty is Pink Fresh Studio Some Days, which is, I think here, that come in February kit too? I think so. I want to say it did. And then the word of is, of course, from this kit, March. So it's Hippie Club's pretty sweet. Illustration. I get some dirty. Okay. And then that is not due too terribly much for this layout. Just trying to use up the flowers and some of the spring type stuff, and then I'm gonna figure out where exactly I want my title, and it's gonna go there in the next to the picture, kind of centered there, right above the embellishment clusters that I got over there. And once I get that down, that pretty much completes the layout. And I don't do, I do black ink splatters to this, probably off camera. And so when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.